How to enable or disable data saver on Samsung A27. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, click on data usage. After click on data usage, here showing you data saver. So click on data saver and showing you option turn on now. If you want to enable data saver, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, data saver is enabled. If you want to disable data saver, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, data saver is disabled. You will enable or disable data saver from here. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.